Hello everyone, welcome to Coquitlam Fire Rescue Junior Firefighter Class 7. During the next 8 days, you're going to experience what it's like to be a recruit firefighter. You'll be pulling the same hoses off the same fire trucks, wearing the same kind of gear, and using the same breathing apparatus that a recruit firefighter does. We're going to be asking a lot of you. You're going to be doing searches, fire attacks, exterior attack on our burned building. All you can do is your best. Try and learn from your mistakes, not be afraid to make them. Bring your best every day, and I think things are going to go really well.
I would like to sincerely congratulate each and every one of you for persevering through this week and demonstrating the composure, work ethic, cooperation, teamwork, and accountability that we expect of our own firefighters.